Predicting the future of humanity over the next millennium is a venture that intertwines scientific data, technological trends, and social changes. While it is impossible to foresee the future with absolute certainty, current advancements and historical patterns offer intriguing possibilities. This video explores potential scenarios and advancements that could shape humanity's journey through the next 1,000 years. The next 1,000 years are poised to witness an unprecedented pace in technological evolution, reshaping every aspect of human life. We can anticipate significant advancements in various domains, from artificial intelligence to space exploration, potentially altering our understanding of life and the universe. Artificial intelligence is expected to reach and surpass human cognitive abilities, leading to a new era of innovation and problem-solving. This could result in groundbreaking achievements in medicine, environmental science, and various other fields, potentially solving some of humanity's most pressing challenges. In computing, quantum technology is likely to become mainstream, offering processing power exponentially greater than current systems. This advancement will revolutionize fields such as cryptography, materials science, and complex system modeling, enabling us to tackle problems that are currently unsolvable. Space technology is expected to make leaps, with human colonization of other planets, notably Mars, becoming increasingly plausible. This expansion will not only serve the exploratory nature of humanity, but could also be crucial for resource acquisition and possibly as a contingency for life's sustainability on Earth. Nanotechnology could transform manufacturing, healthcare, and environmental management by enabling us to manipulate matter at the atomic and molecular levels. This technology holds the promise of ultra-efficient materials, targeted drug delivery systems, and even nanorobots that could perform tasks too delicate or dangerous for humans. Biotechnology advancements will likely lead to a deeper understanding and manipulation of genetic codes, enabling us to cure genetic diseases and extend human lifespan. The integration of biotech with other fields like AI could give rise to new forms of bio-digital interfaces, enhancing human capabilities. Communication technologies could evolve to create more immersive and interactive experiences, potentially through neural interfaces that connect directly to the brain. This evolution might fundamentally change how we interact with the digital world and with each other. Energy technology is also set to evolve dramatically, possibly achieving the long-sought goal of nuclear fusion, providing a nearly limitless and clean energy source. Alongside, advancements in renewable energy technologies will be essential in addressing the global energy demand sustainably. In transportation, we might see the emergence of ultra-fast travel methods, possibly through innovations like hyperloops or even teleportation, if quantum advancements permit. Autonomous vehicles could become ubiquitous, revolutionizing travel and logistics. In conclusion, the technological evolution in the next 1,000 years holds the potential to radically transform human existence, offering solutions to current challenges and opening up new possibilities for exploration and growth. The direction and impact of this evolution will significantly depend on how we navigate its ethical, social, and environmental implications. Over the next millennium, biotechnology is poised to radically transform human life, offering unprecedented possibilities in human enhancement. The convergence of biology with advanced technologies is likely to lead to significant breakthroughs in understanding and manipulating human genetics and biology, reshaping our approach to health, abilities, and even the human identity. Genetic engineering is expected to advance significantly, potentially allowing for precise manipulation of the human genome. This could lead to the eradication of inherited diseases, enhancement of physical and cognitive abilities, and even extension of the human lifespan. Techniques like CRISPR-Cas9 and other gene editing tools could become more refined, enabling safe and targeted modifications at the genetic level. Regenerative medicine, including stem cell therapy and tissue engineering, could revolutionize the treatment of injuries and degenerative diseases. The ability to grow organs and tissues in the lab, tailored to individual patients, could eliminate the need for organ transplants and associated challenges. This field could also lead to enhanced healing processes and perhaps even the reversal of aging effects in human tissues. The concept of human enhancement, going beyond therapeutic interventions to improve human capabilities, is likely to gain traction. This could manifest in various forms, from genetic modifications to enhance physical endurance or cognitive abilities, to the integration of cybernetic implants that enhance sensory perceptions or connect directly to digital networks. Neurotechnology could advance to a point where direct brain-machine interfaces are commonplace, enabling seamless interaction with technology and enhanced cognitive processes. This could lead to new forms of communication, learning, and interaction with the digital world, blurring the lines between biological and artificial intelligence. Ethical and philosophical questions regarding biotechnology and human enhancement will become increasingly prominent. Issues concerning equity, consent, and the very nature of being human will be at the forefront of societal debates. The potential for creating disparities between those with access to enhancement technologies and those without could lead to new social challenges. In conclusion, the field of biotechnology and the concept of human enhancement are set to bring profound changes to healthcare, human capabilities, and societal norms. These advancements hold the promise of significant benefits, from improved health and eradication of diseases to enhanced human abilities. However, they also pose complex ethical questions and challenges that will need to be addressed as we navigate this new frontier of human evolution. In the next 1,000 years, addressing climate change and environmental challenges will be pivotal in shaping the future of humanity. The impacts of climate change are expected to intensify, with significant consequences for ecosystems, human health, and economies globally. The actions taken in the coming centuries will be crucial in determining the extent of these impacts and our ability to adapt to a changing planet. Rising global temperatures, driven by increased greenhouse gas emissions, are likely to lead to more extreme weather events, including heat waves, droughts, intense storms, and flooding. These events can have devastating effects on communities, agriculture, and infrastructure, challenging our ability to respond and adapt. Melting ice caps and glaciers, a consequence of global warming, are expected to lead to rising sea levels. This poses a significant threat to coastal cities and island nations, potentially leading to displacement of populations and loss of habitats. Ocean acidification, another result of increased carbon dioxide levels, threatens marine ecosystems, particularly coral reefs, and the species that depend on them. Biodiversity loss is another critical challenge. Human activities, including deforestation, habitat destruction, and pollution, are driving an unprecedented rate of species extinction. This loss of biodiversity undermines ecosystem services that are essential for human survival, such as pollination, water purification, and climate regulation. To address these challenges, significant advancements in sustainable technologies and practices are needed. This includes transitioning to renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and geothermal, to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Innovations in agriculture, water management, and waste reduction will also be essential in creating more sustainable and resilient communities. Conservation efforts will need to be intensified to preserve natural habitats and protect endangered species. This may involve large-scale restoration projects, wildlife corridors, and innovative approaches to conservation, such as assisted migration for species threatened by changing climates. Global cooperation will be crucial in addressing climate change and environmental challenges. International agreements and policies that promote sustainable development, reduce emissions, and support adaptation and resilience in vulnerable regions will be essential. Equitable solutions will be needed to ensure that all nations, particularly those most affected by climate change, can participate in and benefit from these efforts. In conclusion, the next 1,000 years will be critical in addressing climate change and environmental challenges. The future of humanity will depend on our ability to mitigate the impacts of a changing climate, preserve the planet's biodiversity, and transition to more sustainable ways of living. The choices made in the coming centuries will determine the health of our planet and the legacy we leave for future generations. The next millennium is likely to witness profound social and economic changes, reshaping the fabric of human society. These changes will be driven by advancements in technology, shifts in global demographics, and the evolving nature of work and economic structures. The impact of automation and artificial intelligence on the workforce is expected to be significant. Many jobs currently performed by humans could be automated, leading to a major transformation in the job market. This could result in the creation of new job categories while rendering others obsolete. The challenge will be to manage this transition, ensuring that workers have the skills and support needed to adapt to new roles. The concept of work itself may undergo a redefinition. With automation handling routine tasks, human work could shift more towards creative, strategic, and interpersonal activities. The traditional model of full-time employment might give way to more flexible, project-based work. The gig economy, already emerging, could become the norm, necessitating changes in social safety nets and benefits systems. Economic models may need to evolve to address the challenges of automation and wealth distribution. Ideas like universal basic income, which proposes providing all citizens with a regular unconditional sum of money, could gain traction as a means to ensure a stable standard of living in the face of job displacement. Globalization is likely to continue, shaping economies and cultures. However, it could face challenges from resource constraints, environmental issues, and political shifts. Balancing global integration with local needs and sustainability will be a key challenge. Demographic changes, such as aging populations in some regions and youth bulges in others, will have significant social and economic implications. Countries with aging populations may face challenges in healthcare, pensions, and workforce dynamics, while those with younger populations may need to focus on education and job creation. Urbanization is expected to continue, with a growing percentage of the world's population living in urban areas. This will require sustainable urban planning to ensure livable, resilient cities that can handle higher densities and provide adequate services and infrastructure. Inequality, both within and between countries, will remain a critical issue. Addressing disparities in income, access to resources, and opportunities will be essential for social stability and the overall well-being of societies. In conclusion, the next 1,000 years are likely to see substantial social and economic changes. The way societies adapt to the challenges of automation, demographic shifts, and globalization will shape the future course of human development. Balancing technological advancements with social and economic equity will be crucial in creating a sustainable and inclusive future. In the next millennium, governance and ethical considerations will become increasingly complex and pivotal in shaping societal evolution. As technological advancements redefine what's possible, they also raise profound ethical questions and governance challenges that societies will need to address. The rapid pace of technological change will necessitate adaptive and forward-thinking governance structures. Traditional forms of government may evolve to incorporate more dynamic and responsive systems, potentially leveraging advanced technologies like AI for decision-making and public administration. The increasing importance of global issues, such as climate change and resource management, may also require stronger international governance frameworks and cooperation. The rise of AI and automation presents significant ethical dilemmas. As AI systems become more prevalent in decision-making, questions about bias, accountability, and transparency will become critical. Establishing ethical guidelines for AI development and use will be essential to ensure these technologies benefit society while minimizing potential harms. Advancements in biotechnology, including genetic engineering and human enhancement, will raise questions about the nature of being human. Issues of consent, equity, and the definition of normal human capabilities will be at the forefront of ethical debates. Societies will grapple with the implications of modifying the human genome and the potential creation of inequalities based on genetic enhancement. Privacy will be an increasingly pressing concern in a more interconnected and digitized world. Balancing the benefits of data collection and technological innovation with the right to privacy and protection of personal information will require nuanced policies and regulations. The potential displacement of jobs due to automation will raise ethical questions about economic structures and the distribution of wealth. Concepts like universal basic income may be considered as solutions to address unemployment and ensure equitable economic participation. Environmental ethics will become even more significant as humanity confronts climate change and biodiversity loss. Decision-making will need to balance immediate human needs with the long-term health of the planet, requiring a shift towards more sustainable and regenerative practices. In conclusion, governance and ethical considerations in the next millennium will revolve around managing the impacts of technological advancements and addressing global challenges. The ethical implications of innovations in AI, biotechnology, and other fields will need careful consideration to ensure equitable and sustainable development. As societies navigate these challenges, the frameworks of governance and ethics will play a crucial role in guiding humanity towards a prosperous and harmonious future. Predicting the next 1,000 years for humanity involves numerous uncertainties and variables. While technological advancements hold the promise of solving many current problems, they also present new challenges and ethical dilemmas. The future course of humanity will depend not just on technological progress, but on how societies adapt to these changes, address global challenges, and navigate the complex interplay between technology, environment, and human values.